Why is the approval of Bitcoin ETFs by the SEC such a monumental event? To understand the significance, we first need to unravel the journey that led us to this momentous approval. The story begins back in September of 2021. Invesco, a prominent investment management firm, announced a partnership with Galaxy Digital Holdings to launch cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. The aim was simple: create an ETF that tracks the performance of cryptocurrencies, trading like a stock. Despite the promising initiative, the SEC, under the leadership of Gary Gensler, remained hesitant to approve any cryptocurrency ETFs. Fast forward to November of 2023, Bitcoin's value had skyrocketed by 117% in that year alone. The anticipation was building for the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF, which would address key issues like custody and security. However, there were also concerns. The fear was that regulatory changes could restrict access to Bitcoin and potentially impact its gains. In the same year, in September, Grayscale, a significant player in the crypto world, won a court case against the SEC. This victory sparked a glimmer of hope for Bitcoin ETFs. Grayscale had been trying to convert its Bitcoin trust into a retail ETF for years, but had been repeatedly shut down by the SEC. The court ruling in favor of Grayscale was a potential game changer. Now, with the SEC's approval of Bitcoin ETFs, we've reached a watershed moment for the crypto market. To summarize, the key points discussed in this video are as follows. 1. Invesco and Galaxy Digital Holdings' partnership in 2021 to launch crypto ETFs marked the beginning of a push for SEC approval. 1. The substantial increase in Bitcoin's value in 2023 stoked anticipation for a spot Bitcoin ETF. 1. Grayscale's court victory against the SEC in September 2023 was a significant event hinting at the possibility of Bitcoin ETFs. 1. The ultimate approval of Bitcoin ETFs by the SEC marks a monumental milestone for the crypto market. This journey has not been without its fair share of challenges and setbacks. However, the approval of Bitcoin ETFs by the SEC has opened new doors for the crypto market, providing a significant boost to the industry and paving the way for future advancements. This is indeed a landmark moment to celebrate for all crypto enthusiasts.